right? So let's start with the first job opening. So this is actually for the VAPT job role, which is in intuitive app, right? And this is something which required experience. So 5 to 10 years of experience is required. Okay, it's in Mumbai, and the people those who will be joining should have knowledge about vulnerability assessment, pen testing, Nessus, Tenable, vulnerabilities management system, and security tools. Mail ID is priyadarsani@intuitiveapps.com, right? Just if you're fit for this role, just apply and you can get hired, right? Next is uh, cybersecurity analyst intern, which is in Hyderabad. So company's Virtuous Tech role is cybersecurity analyst intern. Hyderabad is the location. And guys, this is the responsibility where they need to conduct the VAPT system and application, identify and report security flaw, assist in security reviews for a web and APIs, collaborate with the IT and dev team. Another is document security findings. These are a couple of roles which will be assigned to you. So most probably it's a fresher's job. So VAPT and security tools like Bob should was job should be familiar. You should have to be familiar with that. Okay, now the next is all those things. So you can drop your resume on this mail ID along with this subject line. Next one is so another is in Duma, which is a cybersecurity company. So it's in Kara, I don't know where this country is, and it's in East Legon. Right, so it's a permanent job type and it's a pen testing job. So just read it out. It's very long, so I can't spell it out everything. But OSCP, this is actually required some sort of experience. So the timing is 15th March till 15th March you can join, and this is the mail ID where you can drop your resume. Next one. Tech Defender, they're looking for freshers experience. I'm sharing from a very long time, so they're looking for a lot of roles. So this is initially what they're looking for. Freshers go ahead with this, experience go ahead with this, and this is the mail ID where you can. Right. Next one. Cybersecurity specialist, five peoples. That's what they're looking for. Location is Bangalore and Kolkata. So role is project handling, giving training to professionals, leading our tech teams, and developing projects. Right. So they should have knowledge about network, web security, BTech, MTech. They should have much knowledge in Python. Right. Who can apply? Those who are passionate in cybersecurity, and this is the mail IDs silpi.icss@gmail.com, and this is the subject line that you need to mention. Next is, yeah, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask accordingly. We can bite on this. So thank you very much.